Welcome to Lena Mass Academy. Name of the paper Business Statistics. One of the unit is Measures of Central Tendency. In this video, we will discuss about the arithmetic mean in continuous series. This is the most important form. Continuous series means where frequencies are given along with the values of the variable in the form of class interval. For example, class interval 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80. Frequencies 5, 8, 12, 15. Here 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 are class interval. 5, 8, 12, 15 is known as respective frequencies. Types of continuous series: exclusive series, inclusive series, open-end class interval, cumulative series when mid values are given, case of unequal intervals. Methods of continuous series. There are three methods: direct method, shortcut method, step deviation method. Formulas. Formulas for continuous series and discrete series are same, but definitions of D, D dash and F differ. Hence, the steps are same after identifying the mid value of the class interval M. So formula by direct method, x bar equal to summation of Fm divided by summation of F, where M mid value of the class interval. Shortcut method, x bar equal to A plus summation of Ft divided by summation of F. Here A assumed mean, summation of F total of the given frequencies, D deviation taken from mid value to assumed mean A, summation of Fd sum of the product of frequency and deviation. Next step deviation method, x bar equal to A plus common difference C into summation of F D dash divided by summation of F, where D dash is M minus A divided by C. Here C common difference between the values of mid value M. In continuous series, first type exclusive series. Series such as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, etc. is known as exclusive class interval. That means the class intervals are continuous. First method, direct method. First illustration for exclusive series. Calculate the arithmetic mean for the following frequency distribution using direct method. Datas: marks 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Number of students, that means frequencies 5, 8, 12, 15, 6 and 4. This is a Varadasan University question for BCom students. Solution. Let us consider mod as x. Number of students F. So they given the class interval 20 to 30 corresponding frequency 5, 30 to 40 corresponding frequency 8, 40 to 50 12, 50 to 60 15, 60 to 70 6, 70 to 80 4. Now we have to calculate the mid value M. So first interval 20 to 30. How to calculate mid value? So adding the limits, both limits, and taking their average, we get the value mid value. So first interval 20 to 30. So add these two limits, 20 plus 30 50, divide by 2, 25. So first mid value for 20 to 30 25. Second 30 to 40, 30 plus 40 divided by 2 70, 70 by 2 35. So second mid value 35. 40 to 50, so 40 plus 50 divided by 2, 90 by 2 45. 50 plus 60 divided by 2 55. 60 plus 70 divided by 2 65. 70 plus 80 divided by 2 75. So mid values 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. Next value Fm. Here frequency F1 5, M1 25. So 5 into 25, 125. Next value 8 into 35, 280. Third value 20 into 45, 540. 15 into 55, 825. 6 into 65, 390. 4 into 75, 300. So sum of frequency F1, F2 plus and so on F6. That means 5 plus 8 plus 12 plus 15 plus 6 plus 4, 50. Summation of Fm 125 plus 280 and so on plus 300 equal to 2460. So direct method formula x bar equal to summation Fm divided by summation F. From the table we get summation of Fm 2460 and summation of F 50. So after simplifying we get 49.20. So arithmetic mean in exclusive data we have 49.20. Next method, shortcut method. Compute arithmetic mean by shortcut method. Marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Number of students 5, 10, 25, 30, 20, 10. This is one of the Bharatiyar University question for BBM students. X class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Number of students 5, 10, 25, 30, 20, 10. So mid value to find M. First class interval 0 to 10. So 0 plus 10, 10 divided by 2, 5. So first mid value 5. Second class interval 10 to 20. So 10 plus 20, 30 by 2, 15. So second mid value 15. Similarly we get 25, 35, 45, 55. Next deviation M minus 25. Here I choose the assumed mean 25. So M minus 25 deviation. First d value M, mid value 5. 5 minus 25 minus 20. Second 15. 15 minus 25 minus 10. Third 25 minus 25 0. 35 minus 25 10. 45 minus 25 20. 55 minus 25 30. So next column product of frequency and deviation. So 5 into minus 20 minus 100. 10 into minus 10 minus 100. Similarly we get 0, 300, 400, 300. So summation of F 100 and summation of FD 800. Shortcut method formula x bar equal to A plus summation of FD divided by summation of F. From the table we get summation of F 100, summation of FD 800. So after simplifying we get 8. 25 plus 8 is 33. So x bar is 33. Method, step deviation method. Example for step deviation method. Compute arithmetic mean by step deviation method. Data 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. So number of students 5, 10, 25, 30, 20, 10. Marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Frequencies are 5, 10, 25, 30, 20, 10. So mid value, first interval 0 plus 10, 10 divided by 2, 5. Next second interval 10 plus 20, 30 by 2, 15. Similarly we get 25, 35, 45, 55. D dash value. Here M minus A divided by C. M corresponding mid value, A assumed mean. So we choose 25 as a assumed mean. C common difference class interval 0 to 10, common difference 10. So C equal to 10. So D1 dash, first mid value 5 minus 25 divided by 10, minus 20 by 10 minus 2. D2 dash minus 15 minus 25 divided by 10 minus 10 by 10 minus 1. So similarly we get minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next FD dash, F5, D dash minus 2, so minus 10. next value 10 into minus 1 minus 10. Similarly we get 0, 30, 40, 30. So summation of f d dash 80, summation of f 100. So by step deviation formula, x bar equal to summation of x bar equal to a plus c into summation f d dash divided by summation f. So a 25 plus c common difference 10, multiply of summation f d dash, from the table we get 80 divided by summation f frequency 100. After simplifying we get 8. So 25 plus 8, 33. So x bar arithmetic mean 33. Continuous series, second type, inclusive series. Series such as 5 to 7, 8 to 10, 11 to 13 and so on is known as inclusive series. That is, class intervals are not continuous. So that's why it called as inclusive series. Example for this method: class interval 0 to 19, 20 to 39, 40 to 59, 60 to 79, 80 to 99. Frequencies 5, 17, 32, 24, 12. Let us consider assumed mean 49.5 and common difference 20. Class interval 0 to 20, 20 to 39, 40 to 59, 60 to 79, 80 to 99. Frequencies 5, 17, 32, 24, 12. Mid value 9, 0 plus 19, 19 divided by 2, 9.5. So first value 9.5, second one 20 plus 39 by 2, 29.5. Similarly we get 40 plus 59 by 2, 49.5, 60 plus 79 by 2, 69.5, 80 plus 99 by 2, 89.5. Next value d dash value, m minus assumed mean, middle value 49.5, common difference 0 to 19, so inclusive, so common difference 20. So first value 9.5 minus 49.5 divided by 20 minus 2. Similarly minus 1, 0, 1, 2. F d dash 5 into minus 2 minus 10, 17 into minus 1 minus 17, 32 into 0, 0, 24 into 1, 24, 12 into 2, 24. So summation of f d dash 21, summation of f 90. By step deviation method formula, x bar equal to a plus summation of f d dash divided by f into c. So assumed mean 49.5, common difference c 20, summation of f d dash, from the table 21 divided by summation of f 90. After simplifying we get 4.67. So 49.5 plus 4.67 is 54.17. In exclusive series, arithmetic mean value 54.17. Thank you.